Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing a relaxed posture and a stable embouchure. This sets the foundation. Once positioned, play a steady long tone at mezzo forte so you can feel the airflow. Then, using the same embouchure, introduce short, rapid bursts of air. Think quick tongue releases rather than jaw movement. Make sure to keep the lips steady. The flutter comes from fast, light interruptions to the airstream. Practice slowly at first and increase speed only when the bursts remain clean and even. You now focus on refining the tongue motion and matching airflow. Start with a relaxed tip-of-tongue tap, think light ta-ta articulations, and synchronize those taps with a supported diaphragm push. Once done, apply this to simple scales, keeping the embouchure steady. You want the tongue to interrupt the airstream cleanly without altering pitch. Make sure to vary dynamics from piano to forte so you learn control. As speed increases, maintain evenness. If the sound chokes, slow down and reinforce steady breath support. You finish by integrating the flutter into musical lines where it enhances expression. Choose short phrases or accented notes and add a controlled flutter, using a gentle crescendo into the effect and a decrescendo afterward so it feels musical. Once done, record your practice and listen for pitch stability and consistent flutter rhythm. Make sure the embouchure and diaphragm remain constant. If the flutter sounds airy or breaks pitch, reduce speed and focus on lighter tongue taps until the effect is steady and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.